Quick video on these Liftmaster garage LED bulbs. Now what these are some bulbs that Liftmaster certifies won't interfere with the RF signals that your remote control uses to trigger your garage. So these look just like any other 60-watt equivalent LED bulbs. They cost a little more. They're about 10 bucks each. But you're not supposed to have any interference coming into your remote when you're trying to click your remote. And you have to get right up close to the door before it'll work, because you've got interference from some standard LED bulbs that aren't as friendly to the RF receiver on your Liftmaster door opener. So I'm going to go ahead and swap these in and see if I get any better results by using these, and see if we get any impact. All right, so got my new bulbs installed here next to my Liftmaster door opener, and we'll see if the range is any better with these bulbs installed. All right, so we're about 500 feet away from the garage door. Let's see if this reaches now. There we go. Well, I gotta say, that's probably tripled the distance. Before, when we were opening this garage, you had to drive up, and you had to be about 10 feet from the door before it would even respond. So yeah, this is pretty remarkable improvement. So yeah, I'd recommend them if you're gonna have any range issues with your garage door opener. It might be those LED bulbs that are associated with your opener. So get some of those garage ready LED bulbs. I'll put a link to them down in the description of this video, and swap them out and you'll probably get your range back. Hey, I hope this video helped, and if it did, please give it a thumbs up. That'll help other people find it as well. And as always, have a great day.